arbitrationagreements.org. All right, friends, gather round and let's chat a bit about finding that perfect mediator to help resolve our conflicts in a smooth and constructive manner. You know, it's not always an easy task, but lucky for us, we have some fantastic resources at hand. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you save time and money. First off, I am thrilled to share with you that our association is a place where you can find some of the best mediation services. Arbitrationagreements.org. Can you believe it's the top association in the country? We offer affordable virtual mediation services and boast a roster of truly esteemed mediators. Now let's delve into the interesting bit, the statistics. You'll be amazed to hear that according to recent studies, around 80% of cases that go through mediation end up successfully resolved. That's a pretty significant number, don't you think? It goes to show just how effective this process can be. Another fascinating fact is that the majority of people who go through mediation feel satisfied with the outcome. That's saying a lot, considering that disputes can often be quite draining and stressful. Now, you might be wondering, where do I begin my search for a mediator? Well, it's simple. You just need to hop onto the website of arbitrationagreements.org. We have an extensive directory where you can find experienced mediators to help you with any type of civil case. It's like having a golden directory of mediation experts right at your fingertips. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that, give us a call. Also, what do you think about mediation? What about it makes you interested in mediating your dispute? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.